Opacity genuinely controls how transparent an entire real element, including its children, actually appears. In this video you'll use opacity correctly. Opacity 1 genuinely is fully opaque the real, actual default value. Opacity 0.5 genuinely makes the entire box, background, text, everything half transparent altogether. rgba with a real alpha value genuinely only affects the actual background's transparency, the real text inside stays fully opaque. Opacity genuinely fades the entire element and all its children together. rgba, HSLA, genuinely offer transparency for just one property. Opacity 0 genuinely still takes up real layout space, unlike display, none. Compare opacity 0.5 versus a real rgba background on the same element. Ready to select real elements by their actual attributes?